Hey guys, it's me Kumita Sipuru. So sorry for not uploading because I had exam and that's why it took a while. But however, today we are back with how to make a Discord bot series. So today we are going to do how to make an embed with Discord.py. So while we are still here, let's get right into it. So let's start it. So first we going to do the example embed, and after that I'm going to do how to do a whois command or user info command. But before that we starting off with how to do embed. So client.command as usual, and we will put async def and embed and ctx. And next we want to put a variable embed equals discord.embed, and now we can design the embed. So firstly we will put the title of the embed, so title equals and embed title. And next we want to put the description, so comma and description and equals embed description, like that. And we want to put a color for the embed, like this color here, so comma and color and equals discord dot color and dot red, like that. It will work. Yeah. And next we want to put the fields for the field, or the purpose of the field is we can add more stuff to the embed. So for that use embed dot add field and embed.add field. And next we want to put title, actually it's name and equals let's see, we will put embed field 1. We will put these on the commas. And next we want to put value, and this is the description of the field 1. So you just put embed field 1 description, like that. And next we want to put inline. Now this is inline, and if we put true, like it will appear like this with the second field, or it will appear like separate. So just put inline equals true, so it will be in inline for the next field. So we will put another field. We can put multiple field as you want, and name equals embed field 1 and value equals to embed field 1, not field 1, actually it's 2. And next embed field 2 description, like that. And just put inline true, so it will appear like not separate, just inline like this. And next we will add the thumbnail, so we want to put embed.set thumbnail. And next URL equals, we will get the link from I have the link here, and we will put the Keyboards Robotics logo, image address, and put it right with this. And next we will put the picture, the main picture, like here, this one. So we will use the same picture, embed set image, and URL equals let's just paste it. Now we want to set the footer, so embed dot set it will appear like this, footer, and we just put name, text equals let's just put keyboards robotics, like that. And we can actually put icon for that, so we just put icon URL equals this URL, the same URL. You can use any picture for this. I will use our logo because why not. And next we will set the author of the embed. So embed set it will appear like this, so click it, and name equals let's just put keyboards robotics again. I'm just telling you how to make embed. You can edit this as you want. And next we want to put a URL, and let's just put icon URL equals, and the same link, like that. And let's see upload and see how is it working. I will stop and run, and now at embed, and it appears like it's we want to put await ctx dot send, and next embed equals embed, like that. And stop again and run, and it will show what is ready, and put at embed, and it will appear like this. And this is the embed. You can add fields, many fields, like as usual. If for example I will give my onboard dash.py help command. This is a full customized embed, like that. This you can make all the things. And that's how you make embeds in Discord. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing, and smash that like button, and follow us on Twitter. Join our Discord link in the description. And if you want to watch our other videos, click here or click here. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.